Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to make this fettuccine, and now I got the noodles and I'm going to boil it with a little bit of salt and olive oil. As you can see, my noodles boiling in salt, a little bit of olive oil and water. So when it's soft, I'm going to drain it and then I'll show you what sauce I put. So as you can see, my onions sauteed. So I have some oil, a little bit of cumin seed, a little bit of asafoetida, and to that I am sauteing my onions. And to this I'm going to add my pasta. So as you can see, I have added my pasta to the onion. Now I'm going to add to it few sauces, and I'm going to see what are the sauces I'll add. I'll add some soy sauce, so as you can see, I have added soy sauce, I have added the orange sauce, I have added the hot sauce, I have added sweet and sour sauce, and I have added teriyaki sauce. Now I'm going to mix all these and add on top of, if I have cilantro, I'll add that, or I'll add scallion chopped. So as you can see, my pasta slash noodles is ready, and I have added some scallions. You can add cilantro leaves, and if you have cooked chicken, you can add that, or cooked egg, but I'm just making vegetarian vegan, and you can add whatever you wish. So I'm gonna serve it in a plate and show you. So here is my pasta, noodle, whatever you call it, and it tastes awesome though. And I just added few sauces from my pantry and some green scallion and some onion. That's it. So this is fettuccine. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.